Hey, it's Andreas, and today I'm going to show you the right way to promote CPA offers from affiliate networks such as Clickbank, MaxBounty, Peerfly, or any other affiliate networks out there. And you don't want to do this the wrong way with direct linking straight to the offer, especially if you're using paid advertising such as Facebook ads, Google ads, or Bing ads. And there are a few reasons for this. If you're using Facebook ads, they are simply not going to allow this. They will disapprove the ad, or even worse, they will ban your whole ad account. And you definitely don't want that to happen. And number two is that you're not building a sustainable long-term business if you're direct linking. You want to build your assets for the long term, and I will show you exactly how you can do this and promote your offers the right way. So let's get on my computer and I will show you. Okay, so let's get straight to it. So the first thing we want to do is obviously find a product to promote. In this case I'm using Clickbank, but it's the same thing for MaxBounty, Peerfly, or any other affiliate network that you're in. So I'm here at the marketplace of Clickbank. This is where we find the offers to promote. To the left we have all the categories and all the subcategories if we open them up. So there are a bunch of categories you can choose from. So we can browse here for the things that we want to promote, or we can use the search bar up here to search for something that we already know that we want to promote. So in this case I'm gonna promote something related to weight loss and detox. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in detox and see what shows up. So here are the results, and what you want to do here is you want to use the sort results by function. So I'm gonna sort the results by gravity. And what gravity means is basically how many people are promoting this product. So the higher the gravity, the more people are promoting it. So that means that it's a good selling product. Obviously, it also means that the competition of selling this product is a bit higher. But if you're using this method that I'm gonna teach you, it doesn't really matter. So now we know that this is a good selling product. We can go ahead and check it out to see if it's relevant to what we want to promote. So it's called the Red Tea Detox, huge new weight loss offer for 2018. And the average sale is $28.94, which is pretty good. I try to stay over $20 as a minimum, so this is okay. So I'm gonna check it out. Alright, so this is a VSL, a video sales letter, with a video playing automatically when someone lands on this page. And the title says, "To the woman constantly giving in to her hunger cravings, discover the secret West African red tea, proven to stop hunger cravings in their tracks and help you shed 1 pound of fat every 72 hours. Sounds great, right? Okay, so this might be something that we want to promote. So let's say that we decide to promote this product. We obviously don't want to send traffic straight to this page, as I mentioned before. And the reasons for that are that if you promote with Facebook ads, it's not allowed and they will most likely shut down your account. And the other reason is that you're not building an asset. And by asset, I mean an email list. So the way we're gonna do it is by having a landing page and giving away something for free. That's called a lead magnet. So we're giving them away something for free in exchange for their email address. So by doing this, we're also building a huge email list that we can advertise to for years to come. So it's not just a one-time thing. Now you have an email list that you can keep sending offers to for a long time and keep making money off them. So it's not all about the front end. You want to focus on the long term and building something that can make you money for a long time. So how do we do this? How do we find a good lead magnet? Well, you can use something called PLR products. That's what I prefer. So this is a site that sells PLR products. You can also just use Google and search for PLR, which means private label rights. PLR plus your niche, and you should find some good sites that sells PLR products. This site is called masterplr.com, and they sell a lot of products related to women, like women's health, weight loss, anti-aging, and stuff like that. So the product I'm promoting here is a detox/weight loss product from Clickbank. So I want to find something to give away for free with great value, and something that's really relevant to what I'm promoting. So I'm thinking that my customer, my prospect for the affiliate offer is a woman, probably a woman a bit older, like 40 years plus, so 40 to 65 years old. And then maybe an anti-aging diet would be something good to give away for free. So if they're interested in anti-aging diets, then they're probably also interested in the weight loss/detox offer that I'm gonna promote to them later. So here you have anti-aging diet PLR, and you get 10 high quality written articles, an ebook created from the articles. You get e-cover graphics, 10 social posters, and full-size infographics. So you have all these articles here, you have 10 of them. Antioxidant foods for a youthful appearance, beta carotene, anti-aging benefits and foods. And yeah, I'm not going to read all of them, but basically here you have 10 articles, which is great because we're only going to use one of them as a lead magnet. And then we have 9 more articles that we can keep giving away to our email list that we build, right? So when you have an email list, you don't want to just send them offers every single day, because they're gonna get sick and tired of you. They're gonna unsubscribe and stop opening your emails if you don't give them any value. So you want to keep giving them stuff for free. Let's say you send them free articles 3 times, and then you promote an offer on the 4th time. Then you keep giving them stuff for free, and it's just a cycle that you keep repeating, right? So get some great value from buying this PLR product. And yeah, this one is $30. Maybe you can find it cheaper somewhere else, I don't know, but I think it's a pretty good price actually for all the content that you're getting. So I actually bought another product from here that I'm using as a lead magnet. And the great thing about PLR products, the ebooks, is that they come in PDF format, so you can actually edit them yourself. So what I did here in this ebook that I'm giving away, it's a detox ebook. Then what I did is that I edit the footer on every single page, and I put in a bit of text here, which says, how would you like to flush away years of built-up toxins, heal your hormones, and kickstart your fat loss journey in only 7 days? Click here to learn more. And then I actually inserted my link here, so this is clickable. So when they read this report, they keep seeing this message down here, and they get interested, and they click the link, and then they come to my affiliate offers. And if they buy something, I get a commission. So that's how you can monetize your PLR products as well. So the next step would be to build a landing page. And this is where you send traffic to from your ads, right? So I have an example of this. This is a landing page that I have. It says claim your free report, a title and a subtitle, and a short description of what they will learn inside the ebook, right? So what I did was I went to the table of content, and then I took some of the headlines here, like safe, natural, and effective detox and cleanse methods, and then you can insert it here as a bullet point. And yeah, just take content from your ebook or the thing you're giving away and put them in bullet points as the benefits of getting this free report. So this is some great stuff that they learn. It's completely free. All they need to do is enter their email address and I will send them a report for free. So you can build this type of landing page with a funnel builder, and what I use and what I recommend, it's called Builderall, and this is basically a full platform where you can build your funnels. You can have your list in here and send out emails and tons of stuff. I'm not gonna talk about that in this video, but I highly recommend this platform, and it's really affordable as well. So I'm just gonna show you what they have in here and what you can use to build your own landing page and funnels. So they have a lot of templates in here. So we want to find something good for our free report. So they even have a template called ebook magnet funnel, which is perfect for what we're doing here. So then you put up, this is the builder. This is a drag and drop builder where you can do anything. You can edit the text, switch out the image here, and insert your own ebook cover, which you usually get when you buy the PLR product. This is included. So the headline, usually I used to take something from the book itself or the report, and then you can edit this, paste or write it yourself, and you can select the style. It's a pretty good size. I can make it bold, and I can change the color of it if I wish. So that looks pretty good, and drag it wherever I want it. And I can, in here I can edit this as well, insert all the bullet points, and yeah, you get the point. This is a great builder where you can build pages just like this. So what happens after they insert their email address? What happens is they go to a thank you page where I say something like, thank you for picking up your free copy of blah blah blah. It will arrive in your inbox in about 5 to 10 minutes. And here comes the pitch, right? So this is where you promote your affiliate offer. So I say, but before you go, how would you like to flush away years of built-up toxins, heal your hormones, and kickstart your fat loss journey in only 7 days? So everyone who opts in and enters the email, they will see this page, and when they click on the button here, they will go to my affiliate link for the particular offer that I'm promoting. And the great thing about this is that now you also have their email address. So even if they don't click here and buy the product straight away, or if they click here and check it out but they decide not to buy right now, you have their email address, so you can follow up with them via email. So the product that you're promoting, they usually have pre-written email swipes that you can insert to your autoresponder. So this product that we're doing right now, if you look here at the bottom, it says affiliate page. If you click on that, we go to their affiliate page where they have a lot of tools and resources that you can use to promote this. So see, maybe we have to enter emails to get in here. Yeah, okay, so here we have it, quick links, email swipes. So we can click here and download the email swipes they have. So here we have it, like email number 1, soothing red tea latte, email swipe, and then obviously you insert your affiliate link and you just put this into your autoresponder. Firstly, I send them an email with the download link to the actual report, and then on the next day you can send them the follow-up emails from the affiliate offers to keep promoting that product. And then you get a second chance to promote the same product, and a third chance, fourth chance, and you can probably send follow-up emails for up to a week. So you have a much greater chance of making that sale when you have an email list to follow up with, because people, they usually don't buy the first time they see something. They need to see it multiple times, and they need to get convinced that this product is right for them. So this is how you do it. This is how you promote CPA offers the right way, and how you build an email list and you increase your chances for long-term success. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next video.